Hey, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to the FOMO channel. It's and happy Friday to everyone. Those for the first time visiting, thank you for dropping by. I hope you stick around and give me that sub. Anyway, guys, jumping straight into it. Today we're going to be talking about baked beans and about the whitelist coming up, and on the 22nd, the big sale, whatever you want to call it. So before we jump into the video, guys, hey, we're really close to the 1,000, guys. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone who's been on this journey with me so far. You guys have been absolutely fantastic. This has been absolutely amazing. At times I have got things wrong and I've lost money, and you guys have supported me all the way through, to the point even when I do new projects, you guys are banking money in there and giving me that referral. And I really appreciate that, guys, because technically I don't make a lot of money, and with your help, like, I get to get it a little bit further, and of course with that I want to give back into the community as well. And we have our first partnership with these guys at Baked Beans, and there's five whitelist spots, guys, are valuable as hell. I know they're very valuable, actually, and that's where I'm wishing you all the luck in the world. So that being said, smash the sub button, guys, and hit that notification bell as well, because that does help when things are time sensitive, like this one here. So first and foremost, guys, I was wrong about my baked beans. I was counting down how many times I had actually done my beans, but I haven't done them. I haven't done them enough. It's simple and easy as that. So today actually would be my sixth and final one where I rebake my beans, first and foremost. Secondly, I want to talk about the anti-whale measure that this has, which is why this has lasted so long. So the simplest way, I'm going to try and explain it the simplest way I know how. So imagine you're a whale. You rebake, and you rebake, and then you take this big, massive dump, yeah? Or you leave it and you take this big, massive dump out. It hurts the system. So what it does the next time around is it actually gives you way less beans for you to take out. It automatically does that in the whole system. The system is set up, the contract is set up in the manner where you should always do the 6-in-1. Look, they've tried everything. If you go to the baked beans conversation, guys, it's all there, yeah? In the baked beans conversation, you can see them talking about everything is simply there. I'll bring that up in a second, actually. So they tell you it's 6-in-1. 6-in-1 is the magic number. I actually counted back, and I've done 5, and I was about to take today, but I'm not ready. So that's how the system actually works. So today we're going to be doing our final rebake, and then tomorrow we'll be ready to collect our first lot of profits, which is quite exciting for me because I love the system already. I only put 0.25 baked beans in there. This has been around since November, so we need to be on board on that as well. And now with the whole system set up properly, they're ready to go with the BCT, with the bean chart token, and I'm really excited about the bean chart. I mean, there's just so much going on with the bean chart, and that's what I'm really excited about. The tokenomics of it is fantastic, and from day one it'll have a staker where we can stake again. So that's why the whitelist is very valuable, because if these guys can do this and make this last to November last year, this is going places, and I'm excited. I'm totally excited. So anyway, first and foremost, let's rebake the beans. One more time, a last time, before I get these babies tomorrow, I'll be withdrawing my beans. My first withdrawal, and let's hit that confirm button. So let's give that a few seconds, guys, and then what I'm going to do is refresh it, and then 9,500,000 should be 10 million or something, yeah. So overall, guys, it's also about gaining trust with they're the people in the group, right? These guys are super. So these guys are super. I guess the group of people in there, they're just so. I don't know how to say passionate. I guess is the right word. They're super passionate, yeah, super passionate. So I'm gonna go into the baked beans. This conversation I only did a little while back. So the good thing about baked beans is, welcome to baked beans. There's so much to love about this. Absolutely, it's just love. Yeah, there's this group of people. They have a lot of love coming in. Yeah, and they're hitting close to 2,000 BNB already, and it's just been a fantastic journey for them. I mean, I've joined the journey late, but I feel like they've made me feel welcome in the group, and Look, rebake, eat 6. Rebake, eat 6. Rebake, rebake, eat 6, guys. That's what it's about. Rebake, eat 6. Sorry, rebake, eat 6. Sorry, rebake 6 times, eat 1 time. Yeah, that's what it's all about. If you can follow that monster plan, you can go anywhere, this bad boy. Yeah, anywhere. So now that I've done that, I'm going to move on to the BCT token. So to win the BCT token, guys, many of you guys, I'm just going to jump back to the actual thing. So many of you guys have commented, which is fantastic. There's a lot of comments, guys. There's 67 comments. You know, I got a spreadsheet this, yeah. I've already started the spreadsheet, and you know, it's just holy hell, guys. Well done, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, yeah. So for the whitelist, let me just go through that one last time, yeah. Let me go through that one last time. So I'm gonna expand this one here for you guys. Okay, so this is the pre-sale FAQs. So the bean chart, it's in the group as well, guys. So if you jump in the group, you can see it as well. It's pinned in one of the chats, I think. 5% of the BCT buy and sell text will be infused into the baked beans miner contract TVL. So it's going, no, the bean chart at the moment, we have the beans on one side, and this will have its own staking platform as well. Staking depth will be the first utility of BCT, which will be available upon launch, beginning with a flexible staking pool with locked time periods, higher APY pools to follow. I mean, they're going to be doing some look, I have a bit more insider knowledge. I can't really share that though, but these guys are going to be doing a lot of partnerships with a lot of different people, and that's freaking exciting as it gets. BCT will be used for purchasing online merchandise through the online shop Q2 and Q3 2022. I can't wait for the merchandise, guys. Can't wait. I'll be wearing it proud. You know, a list of whitelist wallets will be made available for the pre-sale on the Telegram channel. Dick's sale will only allow the whitelisted wallets to participate in the pre-sale of 60 minutes before it goes live to the public. So, guys, we're going to get in there early. Where is the schedule of vesting of the 15% team tokens? Monthly release of the tokens will happen over a 12-month period. I mean, this is kind of normal in most of these things. How do I buy the token? Participate in the pre-sale. You'll have to go on the pre-sale link. There's a tutorial already. I've already read that, so it's all in the group chat anyway, guys. You know, there's nothing much that I can say that isn't already there. Yeah. There's a lot of information here. You know, how can you get whitelisted? You can get whitelisted through me. So here's the thing about, you know, the private sale. There's a private sale. I know 4% of total supply allocated. 400 million BCT tokens will be available. Minimum is 1 BNB and max is 3 BNB. I thought it was 0.1. I was wrong, obviously. There's a soft cap of 250 BNB and 500 BNB. Look, I've got 1 BNB stacked away just for this bad boy. I'm really excited about it. Minimum buy. Okay, minimum and max buy. This is for the private. Okay, so this is for the pre-sale, and then this is for the private sale. There's a big difference, right? Okay, so 0.1 BNB minimum and 3 BNB max. So get your wallets ready, boys and girls. I'm really excited about this. I think this is the way I think, guys. If a company can, if a brand can do so well with keeping baked beans alive for such a long time, and I'm a big fan of baked beans. You know, they've kept it alive. It's been going really well. It's so close to 2,000. Let's go. It's going to only get better with a new one, yeah? I have a lot of trust and a lot of faith in these guys. These guys aren't your typical guys. I've chatted to the owners, one of the owners anyway. Not naturally, you know, like, these guys don't, like, the way they talk, they really believe in this, you know, and that's what I love. I love the belief. I love where it's going. And, you know, after we've been hit and run in a few of the other projects where we've just been destroyed, you know, I would just like to do a few that are a bit more long-term, you know. If we can do these long-term projects, we can be so much happier because the money will also automatically keep coming in. I mean, if I'm making like 0.25 BNB every week from over here, I'm happy. Making 1 BNB a month, I'm pretty happy already, yeah, from this particular project, because my investment was only 0.25 BNB. So understanding all of this and the ecosystem is going to be fantastic. I seriously cannot wait. This gives me I'm seriously excited about this, guys. Yeah, super excited. Anyway, so that's all from me today, guys. So again, for the people who have not said it yet, you need to type whitelist in the chat, and you need to put why you want to. You don't need to put any comments with it, you know, comment whatever you want, but please smash the subscription button. You definitely need to be subscribed, and you definitely do need to be hitting the notification bell to be part of the draw. And the comment must be whitelist. Yeah, must have the word whitelist in it. That's all I need from you guys to make this happen. Looking forward to drawing this one out tomorrow for you guys. So Saturday at some stage, it'll probably be my final video for Saturday night, because I have to hand the wallets to them by Sunday. So that's when I'll draw it out. And then you guys have that whole grace period of 1 day to get to me with your wallet address. And if you can do that, then I will hand this straight off to them. Must be a BNB wallet as well, guys, just so you know. So that's all from me today, guys. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Friday. I hope you guys can smash the 1,000 today. Really looking forward to it. Peace.